I don't know if you guys know this, but people are making thousands of dollars every single month by selling these simple coloring books on Amazon. People are creating these coloring books, uploading them to Amazon KDP, and then Amazon prints and ships every order automatically while you keep the profits. So once your book is uploaded, Amazon does all the heavy lifting. And you don't need any experience because today I'm going to show you how to use free AI tools to create an entire coloring book in minutes. So you can start doing this online business model today. You can do this from anywhere in the world with little to no money and start as a complete beginner. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. So what is Amazon KDP? Before we actually create anything, let me quickly explain what Amazon KDP is and how it works. Amazon KDP is basically Amazon's print on demand. So when somebody buys one of your books, Amazon prints it, Amazon ships it, and Amazon handles customer service. You simply have to just upload the files and collect royalties as sales come in, which is cool because you don't have to have inventory, you don't have to have a warehouse, you don't have to ship anything yourself. And since Amazon has billions of users every single day already on the platform, you're already getting this crazy traffic as well. So now that you know how easy it is and how that works, now let's create the coloring book together. And for creating this coloring book, we are going to work smarter and not harder. We are going to use this one AI tool for this. And to access this tool, I put this link down in my description box below for you guys. Once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. And this is GenSpark. And one of the reasons why I really like GenSpark is because it's not just an AI chatbot. We're seeing a lot of AI chatbots on the market nowadays. This one is significantly different. Let me show you kind of how it works and how we can create the coloring book. It has specialized AI agents that can create documents, websites, videos, images, and digital products like these coloring books. So we'll go ahead and use this one to build a complete coloring book. And I'll have them up on the screen so you can copy and paste these for yourself. So once you're here, inside GenSpark, select this icon down here, AI Designer. Now in this box, we're going to give it a detailed prompt. Here's the prompt that we're going to use. Create a 30-page children's coloring book called Bible Animals. Each page should feature a different cute Bible animal and black and white coloring pages with bold outlines for ages 4 to 8. Add a short Christian caption to each page. Format at 8.5 times 11 inches and make it Amazon KDP ready. Then just hit enter. Now GenSpark will begin designing each page automatically. And it's going to create the illustrations, the captions, the page layouts, and the PDF that we need. So inside GenSpark's AI image agent, I asked it to create clean black and white line art that works perfectly for coloring books. And here's the prompt that we can use for this. So again, you can screenshot this and use this for your own, just switching out whatever you need, but it should be like along very similar to this. So let's submit that. And oh my gosh, you guys, look how nice this looks. All done with AI. Like it is so crazy because this would have taken me hours if we did this manually. We would have had to be artists. Like that's just so crazy. And now it takes minutes for you guys to be able to take something from your mind and make it a reality. It's just so cool. So you guys can see the possibilities are so endless with this. And if I don't like a specific detail about it, I can just simply draw over the image and tell GenSpark exactly what to change instead of just starting over. So I can ask the AI, make the eyes bigger, and it will do that. Remove the flowers, add clouds, expand canvas, or add another animal. And any change that I ask it to do, it will do. So step number 3 to this online business model is finding coloring books that are going to be profitable. So what I did was to make it easy for you guys, I just made a list here with a bunch of ideas that you can use for your own coloring books. And the more specific your niche is, the more it's going to stand out in the Amazon search. So if you're picking coloring books that are more basic and don't fit within a micro niche, it does make it a lot harder. So go ahead and check out all of these ideas that I generated for you guys. And as you guys can see, the possibilities are endless. Another thing that I like to do is I like to search like a consumer. So I will search coloring books for kids, and then I'll look at bestsellers, reviews, popular themes, and you'll quickly notice patterns with this. So we can see what books are the bestsellers, We can see reviews. We can check what people are, requesting, what problems did people have. So you can actually like really examine the market and see like what's missing from the market. And you can definitely like generate and just educate yourself this way. And you'll quickly notice patterns, like maybe axolotls are trending. It's an animal that kids love. We don't need to reinvent the wheel or reinvent or make a new crazy business idea. You can see that it's just usually like these small little ideas that can just be so profitable. And then we can let AI make our own unique version of it. So step 4, guys, is creating the cover. This is important because this is what's going to initially grab a customer's attention when they're scrolling through Amazon. So let's go back to GenSpark and we're going to use this prompt. Create a colorful front cover for a children's coloring book called Bible Animals Adventures featuring adorable animals. Let's use bright colors and professional Amazon KDP quality. So the result literally looks like something you would find in a bookstore. And if you don't like this one, you can ask it to generate another one until you find a winner for your own. You guys can see like we're really getting through this really fast. So step number 5, guys, is the Amazon KDP cover template. This one's not as fun as the other steps, but we gotta do it. So Amazon requires a full wraparound cover. So that means they need a front cover, a spine, and a back cover, all in one file. So what we need to do is we're going to head over to Amazon KDP's free cover calculator, and we're going to just enter in book size, page count, and interior type. And Amazon gives you the exact dimensions. For a typical children's coloring book, you would just enter the trim size being 8.5 by 11 inches, the page count being 32 pages, and the interior type being black and white interior with white paper since it's a coloring book. Then you're going to just take those dimensions back into GenSpark. We're going to put the dimensions here, and then let's ask it to create the complete wraparound cover. And in minutes, it will create all of it for us. It's never been easier. So step 6, guys, we're gonna upload this to Amazon. So let's head over and it's time to get our own coloring book on Amazon. We're gonna go to Amazon KDP. We're gonna create a free account here. Once you created your free account, you just went through that sign up process, you're gonna just click on Create Paperback. Then we're gonna just fill out the title, the description, keywords, and categories here. And obviously we can ask GenSpark, write an Amazon KDP description optimized for parents searching for Christian coloring books for children ages 4 to 8. And you can see here, it did most of the work for us. We can also ask it, find high volume Amazon KDP keywords with low competition for Christian children's coloring books. So we're identifying our target audience specifically here to get these keywords. Then we're going to just copy and paste over whatever it is that GenSpark writes for us. Then we're going to just upload our interior PDF and our cover PDF. So now, guys, we can preview the book and let's just make sure everything looks okay here. And when it's good to go, just hit publish. And that's it. You guys can now see here your coloring book is now available for sale on Amazon. So now we're on to step 7, which is scaling your store. Now you can see how easy it was to actually throw this together. Why would you just stop at 1 or 2 books? Try to make 10, 20, 50, 100, however many you actually have time for once a week to just throw up on Amazon. Every single one of these books becomes a digital asset for you. And if you really get into this and you love this and you really feel confident as this being a good online business model to start for you, why stop at Amazon? Make your own website. Promote on social media. People think you have to be an influencer to promote on social media. I see brand new businesses starting Instagram accounts, starting TikTok, starting Threads, promoting their products there and getting sales, especially Threads. It's like crazy organic marketing right now, very easy. It's like everyone has an equal chance of growing on Threads right now. So it's like, if you just actually take the time to actually kind of study marketing, which I have 100% free courses about on my YouTube channel, study my 100% free marketing courses playlist, and then you can really scale this as a full-fledged business and brand. You're not just an Amazon seller, you're actually taking this upon yourself to really grow this as a business. That's what made me a millionaire in 2 years, was actually really focusing on marketing and putting marketing above everything else. One of your books might make $500 a month. One of them might make $800 a month. One of them might make $1,000 a month. Like, you don't know. They all start stacking. You can order a sample of one of these books and create simple just videos flipping through the books or coloring the books to show how they would be working in action. Then the content would be linking people to finding you, your business, and these books. Personally, me, I don't like promoting Amazon. Like, if you are doing your own marketing, you should actually promote your own online store, which I do have videos about on my YouTube channel. For example, you can start your own Shopify store for literally 3 months for $1. I'll put that link down in my description box below also for you guys. So there's just so many different avenues you can take with this. But if you are doing your own marketing, like, don't let Amazon take the cut, like take the full, money, or just send them to your Amazon. And then eventually the Amazon will grow as well. And then you'll get more reviews there. So it kind of is worth it as well. If you do decide to promote the Amazon page rather than just your own website. But you can see that the possibilities are really just endless with this. It's a win-win scenario. Anytime you invest your time or energy into businesses, there's so much you can do to grow them as long as you stay consistent and actually believe in what you are selling. As your books start to actually get sales, GenSpark can help you too. Like, they have these AI sheets that can help you organize your performance. You can compare which books sell best and even help you decide what niche to make next. And also, that's a really important thing I was going to tell you guys too, is stay within the same niche. Don't sell 100 coloring books in like 100 different niches. It's okay to test in the beginning. Maybe you have a bestseller in one niche, then go all in on that niche. You'll have a lot better, easier time with marketing and doing different things. You stick within a kind of specific niche rather than going crazy and like trying to do every single niche out there. And you can also use GenSpark to come up with marketing ideas. So like, we can even ask it, generate 20 viral Pinterest post ideas to promote this coloring book organically. And you can see that it gives us so many ideas here as well for that. And you can throw them on Pinterest, link them to your Pinterest posts. And Pinterest is another great organic marketing, and you can really do this all faceless. So congratulations, guys. You made it to the end of this video, and hopefully you have your coloring book business ready to go. Hope you guys learned lots from today's free course. You guys already know people are out here charging thousands of dollars for education just like this. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. I hope you guys learned lots from this free course today, and don't let your education stop here because I have tons of other free courses on my YouTube channel for you guys. So I will link a bunch of them down in my description box below. You can see so many other side hustle ideas there. I have tons of education for you guys on my YouTube channel, so don't let your education stop here. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. My Instagram is BaddieandBiz, Baddie and B-I-Z, for more business inspiration and updates. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye, everyone.